Scrum Master, one of those job titles which has very high demand in the market today. The best thing here is, irrespective of your field, irrespective of your area of experience, you can still transform yourself to be a certified Scrum Master and start applying. Let's see the job role and see how to become a Scrum Master. Welcome to another video. So why this concept has come? In the traditional way of working, we collect all the requirements from the customer, put all the efforts, work on them, do trials, and finally deliver a product to the customer. And customer says, you took a lot of time, the market has changed, and my requirement also has changed. Please do rework. To solve this, companies are now implementing agile way of working. What is agile way of working? To make it very simple, agile way of working gives more importance to individuals and interactions than process and tools. It says deliver a working product rather than comprehensive documentation. For example, if you have two mobile applications, one which is very user friendly, very easy to use, and other one which is very complex, but I'm giving hours of tutorial video for that. Who's interested to watch tutorial videos? Which is nothing but comprehensive documentation. Agile way of working gives more importance to customer collaboration rather than contract negotiation. It gives more importance to response to change rather than following the plan. Welcome any change request from the customer and find a way to implement the same. That happens only when periodic reviews and feedback comes from the customer. Okay, this is how it should work. But how to implement this practically? There are different concepts, different understanding, different kind of stakeholders, different departments, project owners, customer. Who will bring everyone into one page? It's the Scrum Master. This is the Scrum Framework. It all starts with a product owner. They create the product backlog. It's a list of requirements and tasks to create a project. The product owner is responsible for customer deliveries. After that, the product owner, Scrum Master, and the development team. Development team is nothing but stakeholders from different departments who forms a team and work on a particular project. They meet and decides on what task to be prioritized. And they take up these tasks into sprints. Sprints are nothing but short duration milestones which allows the team to track a manageable chunk of work and estimates the amount of work involved. And they take those tasks into sprint backlog, and each sprint may be of 2 to 4 weeks, but they are clear on what is the target, what they needs to do at the end of each sprint. At the end of each sprint, they'll have a working model which goes for a customer review, and they give the feedback. For example, if there are 100 features required on a product, the sprint 1 they'll add 15 features. It goes for a review, and another 10 features will be added in the sprint 2. There is something called sprint retrospective. This is nothing but analyzing of what went wrong in the sprint and how to improve them. This is done at the end of the sprint. Let's see the roles and responsibilities of Scrum Master. Scrum Master is a facilitator for the team and also for the product owner. They are responsible for making the team do their best by overcoming the obstacles. Scrum Master support the product owner to manage the product backlog effectively. Scrum Master facilitate the Scrum events like meeting, reviews, and retrospective. Retrospective, as I said, is nothing but reviewing what went wrong in the previous sprint. Scrum Master ensures the team understands and follows agile principles. The Scrum Master ensures the scope and the goals of the project are understood by everyone. The Scrum Master acts as a coach which helps the team to self-organize and evoke cross-functionality and helps them to remove the obstacles like any support they need from the management. Scrum Master communicate and collaborate among different stakeholders. They motivate each team member and makes them understand the value add of their work rather than putting pressure on them to get the work done. This is where the difference between the Scrum Master and the project manager. Instead of telling what to do, the Scrum Master coaches. Instead of directing, the Scrum Master guides. Instead of being the authority, the Scrum Master serves. The Scrum Master facilitates the team orientation. There are three major Scrum Master certification providers. One is Scrum ORG, which gives the Professional Scrum Master PSM certification, or Scrum Alliance, which gives Certified Scrum Master CSM certification. And the other one is Agile Certified Practitioner ACP, which is given by Project Management Institute. You can take up any of these certifications, which is valid throughout the world. Please check their website for more information. And before that, you should have the training completed from any institute or even online training. I hope this video was helpful. I request you to kindly share with your friends and subscribe. I know most of them are watching the video without subscribing, but every subscriber added gives me an energy to do more videos. Thank you.